Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a coding video. So in this coding video we'll be starting from scratch. It's a bit advanced compared to the previous ones. So I need to take you step by step. So today what we'll be doing? Today we will be creating a calculate square app or a calculate rectangle if you want to do it. I can show you later in the video. So as always we need to start with the design. So let's make this screen perhaps red. I guess it looks bright. It's nice. Okay. So first we need a label to have the heading of our app so the other people will know what it means. Let's put a label somewhere at the top and let's call it mm, what should we call it? The square the square calculator, maybe. Then we'll put it in the middle. We'll change the color so that we can see the bread. Perhaps like this. We can increase the font size. That's 20. Yes, but maybe 20 is too big because we can't see a lot. Yes, maybe this is proper. Then after that, we will say the instruction, the set of instructions. So we will say enter the length of one side of the square and and what should we say? And put the button and click on the button. Okay, so let me first change my spelling and we need to make this bigger. So just like this. And yeah, looks fair enough. You can put this here and like that. Then we also put a text input so the person can actually enter the length of the side. We'll call this text input 1. That's okay. Placeholder is like a hint. So I think I already explained this. So placeholder, we should write we'll write enter the length of the square. Okay, then after that we will change the text color to a more vibrant color, I guess. What's the opposite of red? I think green. Yeah, that looks nice. Sorry, excuse me. After that we'll put a button so they can click on it. We'll call it button 1. We'll say calculate. Calculate. We'll make that orange. It feels nice. And after put calculate, we'll put 2 labels. They should be blank for now because afterwards we'll put the text on them for the results of the area. But actually, I just realized we need to put something on this. We must tell, like, for example, this one should be area of the square. Because with one side of the square, we can calculate the perimeter and the area. So we put this here. And where's my label 3? We'll call this area. No, perimeter, sorry. Of the square. Yes, we'll make this a bit like this. What did I do? Doesn't need to be that neat. We're just doing this to understand how this thing works. Area of the square. Then over here we put 2 blank labels. We'll call them, this one we'll call perimeter. And this one we'll call it area for better reference. And of course we have to delete the text on them so that we don't see what's it like. Delete and delete. Okay. let's start the coding. Okay. The first I told you about on event. On event means when something happens. So on event, that button, the calculate button, so excuse me, is clicked. So what should we do? We must first put the perimeter of the square. So we must put set number of set number, the ID is perimeter. Perimeter 2 over here, we'll delete this. Put the mat function over here. So its perimeter basically is one length of a square times 4, right? Because it's square. So we put a multiply operator, and and over here we must put the text, the number from the text box. So you must put get number over here, get number text input 1 times 4. Yes. And then we'll also need to put the area. So it's the same thing. Set number area to same thing. We delete this, but this time it's sorry, it's not sorry, my mistake. Yeah, the perimeter is times 4, but now area this time we'll still put a times function, but area we must square that number. So we must get number from text input 1 times get number text input 1. And just maybe if you want to like have some like brightness in your app, you can also do this. Like in the first coding lesson of my YouTube channel, I put this set where is that? Oh, I forgot. Oh no. Oh, what was that code? No. What was that code I put? Set color, I think. I guess. Oh no. The set property, yeah. Set property, of course I knew that. Of course, yeah. Set property, the screen, background color to random number. Random number. Did I put something in the middle? No, I did not. Never mind. 0, 2, 5, 5. Random number. One second. I think I forgot this. Background color. Oh, yes. Of course. I knew this all along. I was tricking you. We take this out. We just throw that back. RGB. Random number. 0 to 255. We cannot duplicate this code, sadly. Random number. Random number 0 to 255, and finally random number 0 to 255. Let's see. The length of the square, maybe have a square that's 6 centimeters. Oh, well, see, this is the point about this. We must learn from our mistakes. Like, I don't think this thing is correct, right? Like, why? But 78 says 4. The set number area, we must check in our mistakes. So, what went wrong? Well, this might take some time. So, I'll just come back when I get this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hello, everyone. I've been spending a lot of time thinking it out and to make a few changes to it. Sorry for the background color, but I finally got it. So we click on run, and to the length, let's say maybe I was square of length 12, calculate, and I get the correct answers. Okay, so thank you. It's been a lot of work trying to figure this out. And if you want more coding videos or just videos, anything, because I'm doing both, please tell me. Thank you.